The next topic is harmonic conjugate. What's a harmonic conjugate? We already studied harmonic function and what is a harmonic conjugate. Look at this. If u and v are harmonic functions such that f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, then v is said to be the harmonic conjugate of u. Okay, if u and v are harmonic functions such that f is equal to u plus iv is analytic, then v is called the harmonic conjugate of u. Now we have to study what's the method to find out the harmonic conjugate of a function. If u is given, we have to find out the harmonic conjugate v. What is the method? How we find out the harmonic conjugate that we are going to study. Okay, let's see. Okay, the question is, first question is, show that u is equal to y cube minus 3x square is harmonic and find its harmonic conjugate. So first we have to prove u is a harmonic function. Okay, first we have to find out u is harmonic, then we have to find out the harmonic conjugate. Now we know how to find out the how to show the function u is harmonic, that we already studied. Look at this, how we find out this function is harmonic. Given u is equal to y cube minus 3x square y. Okay, we have to find out ux, uxx, uy, uyy, and we have to show that uxx plus uyy equal to 0, that we all know. Okay, what is ux? Ux equal to derivative of u with respect to x, that is minus 6xy. Okay, uy is equal to derivative of y cube is 3y square, here minus 3x square. This is uy. Now uxx, here I am writing uxx. Uxx is derivative with respect to x. Again we are differentiating with respect to x, that is minus 6y. Okay, now what is uyy? Uyy is equal to 6y. Okay, this is here there is no y is absent, so the derivative is 0, here only y, so we get 6y. So this is 6y. Now uxx plus uyy, what is ux plus uyy? Uxx plus uyy is minus 6y plus 6y, and this is equal to 0. So we get u is harmonic. Therefore u is a harmonic function. U is a harmonic function, that we proved. Now we have to find out v, that is the harmonic conjugate. Here, since u and v are analytic, u and v are harmonic functions, so since u and v are harmonic, both satisfies CR equations. Both satisfies CR equations. Okay, that we studied earlier. That is ux equal to vy. What is CR equation? Ux equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. So this is CR equation. So we know only ux and uy. That is we know only u. We don't know what is v. So we know only ux and uy. Here ux equal to minus 6y and uy equal to 3y minus 3x square. So I am writing here. From this we are writing, therefore vy is equal to ux. That is ux is minus 6y and vx. Okay, vx is equal to minus uy. That is minus of, what is uy? 3y square minus 3x square, and this is equal to 3x square minus 3y square. So this is vy and this is vx. Now from this vy, I am going to find out v. How we find out v from this vy? Yes, integrating with respect to y. So I am integrating, now integrating vy with respect to y. Therefore we get v is equal to integral minus 6xy dy. Okay, from this we are going to find out v. For that we are integrating vy with respect to y, then only we get v. So v is equal to integral minus 6xy dy, and this is equal to integrating with respect to y. So we get minus 6x into this y become y square by 2 plus a constant of integration. Here we are integrating with respect to y, so we have to add a constant, add a function in x here, because x is a constant here. Okay, so I am adding a constant phi of x here. Okay, now this is equal to minus 3xy square plus phi of x, that is equation number 1. So we get a y from vy. Now I am going to integrate this vx with respect to x for getting another y, another v. Okay, now integrating vx with respect to x, we get v is equal to integral 3x square minus 3y square dx. Okay, now this is equal to integral of 3x square is 3x cube by 3 minus here 3 only 3y square is here, integrating with respect to x we get 3y square into x. So minus 3y square into x plus, what is the constant of integration here? Yes, a function in y. So I am writing here psi of y. Okay, so here we get x cube minus 3xy square plus psi of y, this is equation number 2. So we get 2v. First equation is v is equal to minus 3xy square plus phi of x, and second equation is v is equal to x cube minus xy square 3xy square plus psi of y. Now from equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2 I am going to write v. What is v? v is equal to, both these equations contain minus 3xy square. I am writing this, so we have to write this minus 3xy square only one time. So minus 3xy square. No need to write twice. Okay. Plus, now the other term remaining is x cube. So plus x cube. No other terms are remaining. So I am writing plus a constant of integration c. So this is v. Okay, this is the harmonic conjugate. So let's recall the steps. What are the steps for finding harmonic conjugate? First we find out ux, uy, and then by Cauchy-Riemann equation we write vx and vy, and from that we find out two expressions in v, and comparing those two equations we get v. Okay.